Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Kia Rio, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that install.
You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
So our trailer wiring is just going to plug into both of our vehicle's tail lights. So to get behind our panels, we're going to start by removing our flooring. Next, we're going to remove our scuff panel. To remove it, we're going to pull out and then up. So now we have two push pins on our driver's side paneling, one right here and one right here. We're going to remove those using a trim panel tool. So now we're going to pull back on our liner, and that gives us access to our taillight harness. Now we're going to remove that plug by pushing on this tab on the top. And then we're going to take our T connector with the yellow, brown, and red wire, and we're going to plug it into our driver's side taillight. Now we're going to take our white wire with the ring terminal, and we're just going to ground it right here next to this hole using our provided self-tapping screw and a 1/4 inch socket. Now we're going to take our T connector with the green wire and we're going to bring it over to our passenger side. Just to keep it a little bit behind everything, we're going to pull it behind this harness right here. And then we'll pull it over to our passenger side. Now we're going to take our green T connector and we're going to connect it to our passenger side taillight. We're going to get behind it just like we did on the driver's side. Now with everything plugged in, your trailer wiring is ready to tow. So before we put together our cargo area, let's talk about where you can store your 4-flat harness in your Kia Rio. Now, your first option is to bring it underneath your vehicle and mount it next to your hitch receiver. That way it's always ready for you to tow. To do that, you can bring it through this grommet located right here. Now your second option is to leave it in your trunk. To do that, you can just take it and leave it in your spare tire, and you can pull it out through your trunk next to the weather seal and close your trunk on it when you're ready to tow. That way you can keep it safe from all of the elements. So our customer would rather have it in the trunk, so we're going to leave it here right next to our spare tire. And then now let's go ahead and put together our cargo area. So with your wiring all powered up and secured, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.